Hey guys, I'm so excited. I just got my first Popsewing package. So excited. Go ahead and check them out at popsewing.com and check out all their DIY gorgeous bag kits. They have so many styles to choose from, even designer inspired ones. But for me, I chose the bucket style bag because that is my favorite style bag. So this is the one that I'm doing right here. And this is not a step-by-step tutorial. It's just a quick introduction to this bag. And I do show you various steps in my process. So let's unbox this. The only thing you're going to need once you buy one of their kits is the glue or if you want to use a lighter to singe the ends of your thread. But everything here is included and they email you the sewing tutorial. Since this is a semi-finished bag kit, you get all of the panels already with the perforations in them, so you know exactly where you're sewing and putting that needle through. And these are the numbers where you can actually number all the patterns if that helps you. And my favorite thing about this bag, aside from the style, is this gorgeous taupe color. Like I said, I'm not going through all the sewing process steps, but I've gone ahead here and sewn together the interior pocket that sits in the center of the tote. And stay tuned because I show you the finished tote at the end. And I've gone ahead and sewn the button clasp there where you see on the outside of the bag the stitching. So now my next step, and I did it on the other side too, my next step is to put the bottom panel with the front and back of the bucket bag together. And when you're sewing together a leather tote, you do what's called a saddle stitch, working with 2 sewing needles and string. And so you have a needle on both ends of your string and you're doing what's called a saddle stitch. And here's my bucket bag and the progress so far, coming together and looking just fabulous. And now my next step was to sew together the sides here. And here's the part that gives the bag the most gorgeous look. You have to fold up the corners here and attach it to the sides. Absolutely love this look. And of course, I'll do that off camera. And then a couple more steps to attach the interior pocket that hangs in the center and the side hardware for the strap. So here is the completed bucket bag. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. Just look at it. Interior is spacious. Again, I love both the slip pocket and the suspended zipper pocket in the center for your private things. Check that out. Magnetic clasps. Love this. And just to show you how much this fits, my laptop, and look what else I carry in there. My own, of course, specially sewn zipper pouch, and I'm old school with my planners and everything else I got in there. I hope this video inspires you to get your own DIY sewing kit at popsewing.com. And if you really enjoyed this and want to learn more, go ahead and click on more and the description of this video for the link to this website and anything else you may want to know about Pop Sewing. Thanks again for watching, and go ahead and go order your bag.